Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to install Scrapy on a Mac machine. So to install Scrapy, we will first create a virtual environment because it is a good practice to create a virtual environment for any separate project. So we will also create virtual environment, and inside the virtual environment, we will install Scrapy. And in order to create a virtual environment, the Python should be installed in your machine. So to verify whether the Python is installed or not, you should write python 3 space hyphen hyphen version, and if you get the output something like this, then it means the python 3 is installed in your system. But if it is not, then it is very straightforward and easy, and I have created a separate video for that. You can refer that video. The link of that video you would find in the description below. So let's now move to create the virtual environment. So to create the virtual environment, first I will move to the folder where I want to create this virtual environment. So for this video, I want to create that in the downloads folder. So I would do cd, then downloads, and here I will run the command python 3 space -m venv, and I would give the name of the virtual environment which I want to create. So let's suppose we want to create Scrapy underscore install this virtual environment. So this will also create one folder which will have this name, and this folder will be created in the downloads folder. So let me show you that also. If you see here, this Scrapy underscore install, this particular folder is created, and let me show the content of this. So these folders and this file is created inside this Scrapy underscore install. Now we will have to activate this particular virtual environment, and for that we will have to source one file which is present inside this bin folder. So let me show you that also. So this activate file is there, and we need to source this particular file in our terminal. So I will go again to the terminal and I will say source and scrapy underscore install, then I would say bin, and I would say activate. So I will hit enter now, and now you would see scrapy underscore install in the beginning of this line. So it means that this particular environment is active now. Now I will run the command to install the Scrapy. For that we will use pip. So I would say pip install and Scrapy, and I will hit enter now. So the installation is begin. Now the installation is completed. As you can see here also, successfully installed. So let me clear the terminal once, and I would print all the packages which are installed in this particular environment, which is scrapy underscore install. So I would say pip list, and here we should look for the scrapy in this list. So this is scrapy, and this is the version of that, which is 2.11.1. Now we will try to use this in a Python script. So for that I will open the Python shell, and I will write python 3 and hit enter. I am inside the Python prompt. So here I will try to import this Scrapy here, and if this particular command does not give any error, then that means the Scrapy is installed properly and we can use this in any Python script. So it is imported successfully because it did not give any error. Let's now print the version of Scrapy as well. So Scrapy dot underscore underscore version, and again double underscore. So this has also printed the version which is same as this one. Let me now exit from this Python prompt. So I will say exit and brackets, and I will also deactivate this particular virtual environment Scrapy underscore install. For that I will say deactivate, so that I will come out from this virtual environment. So as you can see, I have come out from this environment also. So that's all for this video. If you face any issue, let me know in the comments. And if the video was useful to you, do hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. And as always, keep learning, keep supporting. See you in the another video.